Welcome to Meditation Zen. This meditation focuses on cultivating hope and optimism while reconnecting with our inner strength and wisdom. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. If you prefer, you can close your eyes or keep them slightly open. Take a moment to settle into your posture and become aware of how your body feels. Take a few deep breaths and release any tension in your muscles. Let go of any worries or distractions and focus your attention on the present moment. Now, bring to mind something that you are hoping for in your life. It could be a personal goal, a dream, a wish, or anything that matters to you. Imagine that this hope is already fulfilled and that you are experiencing the positive outcome that you desire. How does it feel to achieve your hope? What emotions do you feel? What thoughts do you have? What sensations do you notice in your body? Try to feel as if your hope is already a reality and enjoy the feeling of fulfillment. Next, bring to mind someone who supports you and believes in you. It could be a friend, a family member, a mentor, or anyone who makes you feel hopeful and encouraged. Imagine that they are with you right now, smiling and looking at you with love. Feel the warmth and appreciation that you have for them in your heart. Now, silently repeat these phrases in your mind, thanking them for their support. Thank you for being there for me. Thank you for believing in me. Thank you for inspiring me. Thank you for giving me hope. As you say these phrases, imagine that they are receiving your gratitude and that they are feeling happy and proud of you. Notice how it feels to thank them for their support. Finally, bring to mind yourself. Think of yourself as you are right now, with all your strengths and weaknesses, joys and sorrows. Recognize that you are also a source of hope and inspiration for yourself and others. Now, silently repeat these phrases in your mind, affirming your hope and optimism. I have hope in my heart. I have faith in myself. I have courage in my soul. I have optimism in my mind. As you say these phrases, imagine that you are feeling hopeful and optimistic about your future. Notice how it feels to affirm your hope and optimism. Now, gently bring your attention back to your breath. Take a few more deep breaths and feel the calmness and clarity in your mind. After completing this meditation, take a moment to appreciate yourself. Your efforts have helped cultivate hope and optimism, not only for yourself, but also for others, thus contributing to the well-being of the world. Thank you for joining me today. Please hit like and subscribe. Have a pleasant day. Namaste.